Second radiator, plus cats. Going into the hallway. Third radiator, as usual, filled with stuff. That's the thing I use. You can see it. I just go up and down, and that's all I do. I don't do anything else. Fourth radiator's in kitchen. Fifth is in bathroom. And this monstrosity is in my cupboard, my one and only cupboard. So I'm hoping you can see that. It's a bit of a pain because, as I say, it's my only cupboard. And last one radiator is one in my bedroom, which doesn't seem to work. Right.